Okay, so I'm in Urumqi. We got somebody making something right there, so we're gonna maybe check and see what that's all about right there. I think we're gonna be walking around a little bit at nighttime, try to get a feel for Urumqi, and I'm not gonna be here long enough to really film too much. So I'm gonna film a little bit at night, and then I'll film again in the morning. Then we're gonna go to Kashgar. I'll tell you about that in another video. Stay tuned. Urumqi, China, up on the map, so you can see exactly where we are. And we're actually going to be in I'm just going to be in Urumqi for this video for 12 hours at nighttime and in the morning. And it's a Grand Bazaar on the street corner near there. So we're going to just kind of give you an idea of this little corner, what it's like at nighttime, what it's like in the day. And it's pretty cool. It's a really cool city. I am going to go back there again and explore a lot more. I even got my my China hat because you're going to see more. You're going to see some Kashgar videos coming up soon too. But this is the Urumqi one. Let's just take you there as if you were there yourself. Up on the map, let's go. Yeah, one thing that's interesting is you can see all the script. There's not much English, but there's the Uyghur language pretty much everywhere. I saw it throughout the hotel where I'm staying, which is right here. You can see it, all the signs when I was going down everywhere as well. You can see Uyghur pretty much everywhere. And we'll just see. So it looks like kind of some kind of egg thing. Okay, so we are going to walk down. I think we're going to walk down one of these streets a little bit. Hello. So we got lots of different foods here. Hello. Oh, that's pretty tasty. So, okay. Yeah, one of the things that I'm kind of noticing right away, maybe I'll talk more about it, is a lot of different looking people, like more Central Asia. Okay. I'm going to put the camera away and then I'll Okay, so we got all kinds of interesting stuff in here. Making more. So kind of an interesting place. Lots of fruits out here too. And you can also sit out on the tables as well. So a little slice of Urumqi. You can definitely see more of the script as well. I think that is maybe halal. So I'm gonna get some samosa with some lamb in it. I'm gonna get one of these as well. And he's also gonna get me some tea. So, all right. This is the samosa.
Samsa.
Samsa. That's good. And there's the tea. All right.
Want to drink hot tea or just not hot?
Not hot.
Not hot. This is not hot.
Sounds perfect. Thank you so much. All right, so we got this one. We got some meat as well. Then we got some tea that's not too hot. So should be kind of cool. And you got a cup. All right. Shishi. Thank you. All right. I also bought this too. Bought that at a different place. Try that later. This is really good. Amazing, actually. Wow, it's really good. This is really good too. So this is lamb, and then this is some bread. Has a little bit of spice on it, which is great. Okay, so we're waking up in Urumqi. This is right outside the hotel. It's pretty cool. And I'm not going to be able to see too much of Urumqi as a city. So this is where we were at last night. It's right around that corner and right out here. So you can see that they had all the food choices out. Now it's early in the morning. People are getting ready to go to work. We're going to walk through it a little bit. And I'll kind of explain what we're doing. Let me see. Just kind of meander down like this. Go through. So we're going to walk into the street a little bit and try to give you an idea of at least a little bit of a corner of Urumqi. Oh, they got lots of apples here. Let's see. Hello. Oh, okay. So actually they have let me just kind of give you a little bit of a background of everything. First of all, just so that you have a focus, you can see the script. This is the Uyghur script. Let me go up there a little bit. And yeah, actually you can see all these Central Asian influences. You can see it, I just saw some people eating bread. But anyways, I'm going to be going to Kashgar, and I just came out of Uzbekistan and also Kazakhstan. So I just kind of had this realization that, you know, Kazakhstan was about 1 million people. Oh, there's a mosque right there. And the largest city in Central Asia is Tashkent, where I just came from. And Tashkent had 2.5 million people. Urumqi has 5.5 million people. So I just was kind of thinking how this city, you know, when you think of China, it just seems like on the far-flung reaches of it. But it's actually a Central Asian city, and it's, you know, it's a 2-hour flight from Tashkent, and it's about an hour and a half from Almaty, even closer to Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan, to Urumqi. Let me go across and I'm going to continue that thought. I just got to the Grand Bazaar, which is what I wanted to do anyways. I have limited time because I'm going to be getting to Kashgar. But what I was going to say is that I really feel like this is going to be the hub of Central Asia. It's so bright right there. I gotta change my... I think I have it on the night one. But I'm just gonna it's so Central Asian-ish. You got those horses, yurts, carpets. Yeah, and actually everywhere that I've seen, they're promoting the language as well. Wow, that's kind of weird. Like when I was in those other streets, it was you'd see the Uyghur language everywhere. Now I only see Chinese. That's kind of... Let me just see if we can locate. Maybe all the street signs, like on the buildings, but these, I don't know. Anyways, but this is the Grand Bazaar, and you can actually see all the details like these, like that. And then there's also some mosques. There's some mosques there, and there's also and then there's also a mosque right there too. So you can see that mosque as well. I think most of the tourists are Han Chinese. And here's the script right here. So it's actually the Uyghur language. And they use like the Arabic alphabet. So yeah, I have a feeling this would be all super busy later. At least you get a taste for it. It'd be interesting to see it, but I think when I get to Kashgar, which is going to be some of the next videos. But yeah, now I have Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, probably only one Uyghur, trying to capture everything. One Urumqi. Is that real? And we'll have a handful of Kashgar. Oh, looks like there's more down that way. Okay, the camera's kind of being washed out. I can see another dome way down there as well. But anyways, this is a taste of it. So they have a stage. This must be the prominent place for the Grand Bazaar. And then it keeps on going down, and you got lots of intricate details, and there's a mosque right there too. Oh, and by the way, that meat that I had yesterday was so amazing. It's so cool. Okay, so I changed the setting a little bit so the colors aren't so bleached out. I think I had it on a night setting there. Oh, there's so much little detail. Apartments in the background. There's even like camel-shaped stuff. Oh no, I get camel from the side, but actually it's okay. So at least we have a taste of it. And there's the mosque right there. It's not as bleached out as before. So unfortunately, my Urumqi will only be one video. But I'm kind of excited because have a collection of videos from Tashkent, Almaty, and Kashgar, and this to be the one Urumqi one. It's funny, it's the public toilet right there. I saw a lot of these musical instruments in Tashkent. That's so cool. There's the Uyghur script. Okay. And there's more. Yeah, this is really intriguing. So now that I'm out of the Grand Bazaar, now I can see, that's what I mean by you can see the script everywhere. I saw it like absolutely everywhere. When I came in from the airport last night, I was seeing it. Yeah, you see the script? Taste the naan. Yeah, I would see it the whole ride in, just like everywhere. But it's kind of interesting because usually in other parts of China, I usually will see Chinese and English. Like this one right here, low-cut honey. It's like it's a little bit of English that I see, but almost everything has the Uyghur script. So they're really promoting the language. And I think they're really gonna make this into a hub, I think. I was just talking to a guy last night about, he's grew up here, he's a Uyghur looking person. Let me go ahead up. Yeah, one of the things he was telling me about was that, I asked him if there was a lot of, I kind of when I was in Macau in particular, there were so many international students from Central Asia. Hello. So I was asking him if a lot of stimulus here. I was asking if there was a lot of international students here too, because I kind of have this feeling this could be like a major hub of Central Asia. You know, for people that come from Almaty or Tashkent and they come here, like this city is huge compared to being in those two. And those are two of the bigger cities with most of the international Central Asian students that want to study there. So he was telling me that he said there were so many before, and then I don't know all the stuff that's going on with all the politics and things like that. So he said, I think he said like something like 2017 or something like that. I'm not really sure. And I said, oh, before COVID. And then he's like, yeah. There's another mosque straight ahead. So I'm kind of filming that. But anyways, it sounded like there was a lot before. This was one of the food trucks I might have saw out last night. I did see something like this. So I think that they're out and about. Let me just kind of come over here and see what this is all about. Another little shop. But anyways, I kind of feel like in the future, you know, they're promoting the script, and there might, you know, be like kind of a key city for Central Asia. Anyways, on that note, we're gonna end it for Urumqi, so hope you enjoyed it. And I'm gonna be in Kashgar, so that would be pretty amazing. I'll be setting up, creating more videos for that. What a great place to just take a look in the world, look out at the world I'm from. I guess before I go, I should take a look at the bed, the hotel room that I have in Urumqi. It's kind of, you got an automatic TV. The hotel is interesting because there's, like, you know, different feel than most of China. And even these too, like the decoration where they have it set up is different. These lamps. Even the fire hydrant. Okay. So that gives you a little bit more image of Urumqi. And when you come out of the elevator, there's also okay. Urumqi. Okay, so now we're waiting for our Didi, 2 minutes away. If you've used this app, you'll know what it is, but this is a really easy way to get around. So I'm gonna jump in a taxi, go to the airport, and it's only 35 minutes away. Very close. Okay, that's it for Urumqi.